Hello dear children, let us do the problem in page number 141, question number 2. All of you take your textbook and write this question into your notebook. Question is, two angles are in the ratio 1:2. On increasing the smaller angle by 6 degree and decreasing the larger angle by 6 degree, the ratio changed to 2:3. What were the original angles? Okay, here we have a question. In that question, two angles are in the ratio 1:2. Two angles are in the ratio, two angles. See, this one is an angle and this one is another angle. The ratio of these two angles are in the ratio 1:2. Okay, ratio of these two angles in the ratio 1:2. Then if two ratios are in the if two quantities are in the ratio 1:2, then what will be the first angle? Yes, the first angle is 1 into x, that is x, and second quantity is 2x. Okay, so if two quantities are in the ratio 1:2, then the first one is 1x and second one is 2x. Okay, on increasing the smaller angle by 6 degree. Okay, that means the smaller angle, which one is smaller here, x or 2x? X is the smaller one. So the smaller one is increased by 6 degree. Increased by 6 degree means x plus 6 degree. Okay, and the larger angle decreasing by 6 degree. Larger angle is decreased by 6 degree, that is 2x minus 6 degree. Okay, then the ratio is changed to 2:3. Okay, so new angles are the smaller one is increased by 6 degree and the larger one is decreased by 6 degree. Then their ratio is 2:3. That means ratio of this x plus 6 and 2x minus 6 is 2:3. Okay, so write that equation. So ratio of new angles. Okay, ratio of new angles. Ratio of old angle is 1:2. But ratio of new angles, what is the ratio? What is the new ratio? New ratio is, yes, 2:3. New ratio is 2:3. And which are the angles? Yes, one angle is x plus 6. Second angle is 2x minus 6. And what is their ratio? Their ratio is 2:3. So here we have x plus 6 is to 2x minus 6 is equal to 2:3. So here we have two ratios are equal. Two ratios are equal. If two ratios are equal, then product of first and last is equal to product of the middle. Here which are the first and last? X plus 6 and 3 are the product of first and last, that is x plus 6 into 3, which is equal to product of the middles. Middles 2x minus 6 into 2. Okay, so we get two expressions. See, this expression is in the form of the identity a into b plus c. Now we can expand this. So 3 into x plus 6, that is equal to 3x plus 3 into 6 is 18. Okay, and here we have 2x minus 6 into 2. Then 2 into 2x, 4x minus 2 into 6, 12. Okay, so now we need to move variables on one side and numbers on the other side. Okay, let us move this 3x. Here we have 4x and here we have 3x. Let us move this 3x to this side. Okay, then what happened? 4x minus 3x. Okay, and here we have a negative 12. Move this negative 12 to this side. Here we have already an 18. Okay, and move this negative 12 to the left hand side of the equation. This is negative 12. And if it move to the other side, it become, yes, 18 plus 12. So 18 plus 12 is equal to 30. Okay, 18 plus 12 is equal to 30. Then what is 4x minus 3x? 4x minus 3x is equal to 30. That is 30 is equal to x, or we can say that x is equal to 30. Okay, so our angle, this angle is equal to 30. Okay, that is the original angles are x and 2x, right? Original angles. Which are the original angles? Yes, original angles are x and 2x. Okay, and we got x is equal to 30. Then which are the angles? Yes, one is 30. 2x means 2 into 30. That is 60 degree. Okay, so these are these two are the answers. Okay, angles are 30 degree and 60 degree. Now the second question. The sides of a rectangle are in the ratio 4:5. By what fraction should be the shorter side be increased to make it a square? By what fraction should the longer side be increased to make it a square? Okay, two sub-questions. The sides of a rectangle are in the ratio 4:5. So this is our answer. See, here we have a rectangle. And for this rectangle, the length is, yes, the ratio is 4:5. Okay, 4:5. That is, the sides may be 5x and 4x. And the smaller side is increased by what fraction? The smaller side is increased by what fraction to get a square? Square means what? We need to increase this smaller side. Okay, smaller side increase, only the smaller side increased by a fraction, we get a square. Okay, square means all sides are equal. The smaller one is increased, but the larger one no change. So what will be the side of the square? Yes, side of the square will be, yes, 5x. Then that means we need to change this 4x to 5x. Okay, how to change 4x to 5x? To change 4x to 5x, yes, 4x plus x is equal to 5x, right? 4x plus x is equal to 5x, and we need to change x to, we need to increase the smaller side 4x by x to get a square, right? Then what about this x? X is what fraction of 4x? X is what fraction of 4x? Yes, x is actually 1/4 of 4x, right? 4x into 1/4. 4x into 1/4. X is 4x. It is actually 1/4 of 4x, right? That is, this is, suppose this one is 4 centimeter. Okay, this one is 4 centimeter. And what about this one? This one is, this we can divide this 4 centimeter into 4 equal parts. Then what about this one? What fraction is this one? This is 1 centimeter. This is actually 1/4, no? So 1 is 1/4 of 4. So 4x is 1/4 of 4x. So what fraction of the smaller side should be added to get a square? Yes, 1/4 of the smaller side to be increased to get a square. Then second part of the question, by what fraction should the longer side be decreased to make it a square? See, the original ratio. What is the original ratio? 4 is to, yes, original ratio is 4 is to 5. Okay, that is, this one is 4x and this one is 5x. By what fraction this larger side should be decreased to get a square? Okay, larger side decreased to get a square. Okay, for a square we know that all sides are equal, right? Then smaller side, no changes there. Then larger side, how much should be subtracted from 5x to get 4x? Yes, that is, we need 4x. We need 4x to make this as a square. That means we need to subtract 5x minus x to get 4x. And what about this x? Yes, x is, yes, 1 by 5 of 5x. Okay, x is 1 by 5 of 5x. And what about 1 by 5 of 5x? See, 5 into 5 and 5 get cancelled, that is x. Okay, so 1 by 5 of the larger one should be decreased to get a square. 1 by 5 of larger one should be decreased to get a square. Okay, thank you.